Hey team, welcome to today's video. I'm going to start by showing you how to assign a task from the back end here and how that task will show up on the POS unit for the employees to see and complete. So let's get started. First, how to view this task area. First, we're going to start by going to our tabs section, clicking on the employees tab, and going to the right-hand side and clicking the employee tasks. To add a new task, just click Add New Task, and then you can create that task that you would like for your employees. If you're trying to run a recount for them, you can click the recount. You can choose those categories. Then click the number of products you'd like them to count, range start and range end. You can then choose the locations, or if it's going to be all locations, don't choose any. You can also assign specific employees to this task. If it's all employees, you can click all employees. If you have specific notes for that, you can just put in those specific notes for this right here in the notes section. If you have a scheduled date for this task, you will put that right here. If you have a scheduled time for that task, you will put this right here. Right now, the status will be pending. As you can see, right now I have two different tasks. I have a recount juice task specified for me. I also have a clean the shop task specified for all employees. If I were to log in under Lifelong, you would see under the View Tasks tab only the clean shop task. You would not see the recount juice task because that is specified for just me. So once we clean the shop, we click complete. And as you can see, that is now completed. If I come back here, refresh the screen, you can now see that this is complete. So let me come back out here, log out, and log in under me. Now you can see I'm logged in under my login. Go to View Tasks. You can see that I have the clean shop. I also have the recount juice. So if that task is under all employees will be able to see that task. If you have a task specified to one employee, only that employee will be able to see the task that you gave to them. So I've come into the shop, I've recounted the juice. Now I can say I've completed that task. We can come back here, say it's all done. Now that's completed. If you ever need to make edits to anything, you can come over here, edit that in any way you need to. Let's say that you said you needed this done one time, but you actually need that done daily or weekly, bi-weekly, maybe even monthly. You can do that here and save those changes. If you need to remark this as pending, you can do that here and it will show back up. You can see right here, it just reversed itself. So that's our tasks, guys. If you guys have any questions about that or would like to start using that on your end on Lifelong OS, please feel free to give us a call at 678-201-0911. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.